go. Oh, are they overtaking? There we go.
Not a good idea.
There they go.
Oh, Lincoln's gonna get first.
Oh no! Great place.
Who's
Come on, boy.
first?
Yeah, I'm pretty good.
Who's getting black flag? Oh no. Is that Ben? Oh no.
I don't know if it was him. Hard to tell.
That's okay, just let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Second. Where's Ben? Back fourth? He's in fourth now?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's coming back.
How many laps?
About, I think 8 laps, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he's fifth.
Go Benjamin, get them, vat hem.
Yeah, he's coming up.
Go baby, go, yes.
What a move! He's third. He's coming back up. Oh!
Oh, come on, Ben.
That kid with the blue helmet.
Oh, Ben is back. Oh, but he went wide. Side by side. Oh, no, Ben.
What's the white line?
Last lap.
Okay.
Oh, Ben got him good.
I don't even know what position.
Side by side.
Second.
again. I can't look right now.
Elske.
Ben, you're fighting over second place.